Hi viewers, in this video I am going to discuss meso compounds. So let us see, meso compounds means the compounds having at least two chiral centers. So this is a very important point here. Compounds having at least two chiral centers and plane of symmetry or center of symmetry or both is called as meso compound. Here required points are two chiral centers, compounds which having two chiral centers and plane of symmetry or center of symmetry or both. Okay, these conditions are very important. Okay, the meso compounds are optically inactive due to the presence of internal compensation. So let us see what is internal compensation. For example, let us take a tartaric acid. Okay, this molecule is a tartaric acid. In this molecule, two chiral centers are present. Okay, two chiral centers are present, and this molecule contains plane of symmetry. Okay, this plane of symmetry bisecting this molecule into two equal halves. Okay, here you see the lower part. Okay, rotates plane polarized light. For example, towards right side. Okay, plane polarized light towards right side. Then upper part rotates plane polarized light towards left side. So right side rotation by the lower half cancelled by upper half. That is called as internal compensation. Compensation of plane polarized light taking place within the molecule. That's why it is called as internal compensation. Okay, here once again. Here lower part rotation, plane polarized light rotation cancelled by upper part rotation. That is taking place within the molecule. That's why we are calling internal compensation. So let us see another example. Here also two chiral centers are present and this molecule contains plane of symmetry. Okay, the plane of symmetry is there. So that's why this molecule also meso compound. So these conditions are very important. At least two chiral centers and plane of symmetry or center of symmetry. Let us see another example. So in this molecule also two chiral centers are present. Okay, plane of symmetry also present. That's why this molecule is meso compound. In this also two chiral centers are there and plane of symmetry is there. That's why this is also meso compound. Here also in this molecule there is no chiral centers. Okay, no chiral centers. These two are not chiral centers, but it contains plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is there, but chiral centers are absent. That's why this is not meso compound. Okay, this is not meso compound. In this molecule, you see two chiral centers are there. Yes, two chiral centers are present, but there is no plane of symmetry. Okay, there is no plane of symmetry. Without plane of symmetry, this molecule is not meso. Okay, in this molecule also two chiral centers are there. Chiral centers are present, but there is no plane of symmetry. That's why it is also not meso compound. In this molecule, plane of symmetry is there. Okay, plane of symmetry is present, but these two are not chiral centers. That's why it is also not meso compound. So like this, what is the main condition here? At least two chiral centers and plane of symmetry or center of symmetry should be present. Then only we can call that molecule as a meso compound. Okay. Let us see some more examples. In this molecule, two chiral centers are present. Okay. According to our condition, two chiral centers are there and plane of symmetry also present. That's why it is a meso compound. Okay. Here in this molecule also two chiral centers are present as well as plane of symmetry also present. That's why it is also meso compound. When come to this molecule, there is no chiral center. Okay, these two are not chiral centers. Okay, plane of symmetry is there. Okay, like this or like this. Plane of symmetry is present, but these two are not chiral centers. That's why it is not meso compound. In this molecule, two chiral centers are present, but there is no plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is absent. That's why this molecule not meso. Okay, here two chiral centers are there, but not plane of symmetry. That's why this is not meso compound. So in this molecule, two chiral centers are there, but no plane of symmetry. That's why this is not a meso compound. Okay, two chiral centers are present, but there is no plane of symmetry. That's why this is not meso compound. In this molecule, there are no chiral centers, but plane of symmetry is there. Okay, these two are not chiral centers, but plane of symmetry is present. That's why this molecule not meso compound. So like this we can find out meso compound very easily. Okay.